Hi, welcome to CDKT. In this video, we will discuss about a C Sharp tutorial in which we discuss about the introduction to C Sharp. C Sharp is developed by Microsoft. It comes after C and C++ and Java. It inherits the properties of C and C++, JavaScript and VB script. We can say that C Sharp is smart and intelligent sister of Java because it do work smartly in the comparison to JavaScript, Java language. The basic concept of C++ language are same as C and C++, to whom we have learned in C and C++ tutorials. Launched in Visual Studio 2008, the C# has become famous soon. To create a C# language, you can also create a console with Visual C# language. It generates empty program class with main method. A file extension in C# is as follows. The program file extension is used as csproj, means C# project. The sample application development is C#. Create a console application with virtual C++ language. It generates an empty C program class with main method. To run an application, simply press F5 key on the keyboard. Then the application will run, executed, and output will be displayed. Importing section. This section contains the importing statements that are used import, including or link the .NET Framework class libraries FCL. This is most similar to include statement in C language. Syntax is use namespace. Note: if requires namespace is a member of another namespace, you have specify the parent and the child namespaces separated by dot. For example, using system.io, using system.data are some of the examples of we import system by using namespace. Namespace declaration. Here, a user-defined namespace is to be declared. Rule of declaring namespace is as follows. In .NET application, all the classes related to the project shall be declared in one namespace. The syntax is as follows. Namespace space namespace name flower brackets. Generally, the namespace name will be same as the project name. Class declaration. In this, we will discuss how we declare a class in C# language. This is to declare the startup class of the project. In every .NET application like console or web application, there should be a startup class name, should be program. You cannot change it. It is default declared by the platform. The startup namespace is nothing a class which contains main method. The syntax is class name flower brackets. A class is a data structure that contains data members, constants, file names, events, member functions, methods, properties, constructors, destructors, indexes, and nested types. Basically, it is user-defined data type. It is also a reference type. In fact, the class is a tag or template for object. The drawbacks of the classes are as follows. The class does not allot memory to its data members and member functions itself. Basically, memory is allotted through the objects of the class. The class cannot import itself, means it cannot access its members itself. To access members of a class, we can object of that class. Main method. As you know already in C# and C++ languages, the main method is the starting exe execution point of the application. When the application is executed, the main method will be executed first. This method contains the main logic of the application. Class programs. Here is an example. We will discuss how to write a simple C# language. First, we will declare a class program static void and then a main method. Then we will write console to write the object we want. This is how a C# language is written. For compiling and running an application, to compile, click on Build menu and Build Solution, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Then we can build a run. For run an execution, you can simply press F5 or go to the debugging and then menu and start debugging. Thanks for watching our videos. In this we will declare object. Object is a representative of class and is responsible for main allocation of its data members and member functions. An object is a real-world entity that attributes data types, behavior, and functions. Platform support of a .NET C# language. I have this lost because it doesn't appear to differentiate this language as much as you might think. All these languages can run on multiple OSs and mission architecture. C is most widely supported, when C++ and finally C#. All through C# can be used on major platforms thanks to the open source implementation of Mono. My experience portable C++ between C and various Unix flavor is unpleasant. I have never tried porting anything very complex in C++ to Mono, so I cannot comment on that. Please subscribe to our channel and please kindly leave a comment and feedbacks, questions in the comments, and hit like button if you like our video. And for more information, visit our website www.cd.blogspot.com. Have a nice day.